gonna save some money today. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a very fun video that I am very excited about because I am going to save you some money at Walmart of all places. So if that sounds like something that you'd like to watch, keep on watching, and also don't forget to subscribe. We are on our road to 1,000 subscribers. Last time I checked, we were at 93 subscribers. Let's get to that 100 mark, and thank you guys so much for the support. So let's get started. You guys, so this very first tip is before you even go into the store, before you go look at anything, I want you to download the Walmart app and look on the app and see if there is anything that's on sale right now, anything on rollback. By planning ahead and having a list ahead can kind of give you more room to save money because you can see what deals they have. Maybe you can wait for something until next week. Maybe they're having a deal next week or a sale next week. So that's one thing that I would say is plan ahead. Look on the Walmart app. The Walmart app is a very good tool and I literally use it every single time I go. So you have your app ready to go, you have your list, you've planned ahead, you see what's on sale and what's good to go. So you're heading into the store and now you can pull up your app and you can pull up the little barcode scanner. I'll show you a little overlay right now so you can see what it looks like. But you can literally scan every single label and that's gonna pop up the price. So because something is labeled something on the shelf, say it's like $4 or whatever, and you can scan it, and sometimes things will be on sale that you didn't necessarily realize, and this varies from store to store as well. Just scan when you go into the store. By using this scanner, like Tyson and I literally scan everything to see if it's on sale. And then this will lead me into my next tip is finding Walmart's secret hidden clearance. So Tyus uses this for his reselling business, but I use this just to save money on certain products. So what you can do is you scan the item and sometimes it'll come down at a lower price. Either it's on rollback or it's on clearance. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how pulling up clearance or pulling up rollback on the app works. So we have a little mirror hardware set here for $2, and then you go to the back with the Walmart app and you scan it and it comes up as 75 cents. So that's like Walmart's secret hidden clearance. Another thing too is you can look at the little, you can look at the date right here, and if it's an older date, they probably have rolled it back a little bit more too. So that's just something to look out for. And they also do this for like they do rollback for veggies and stuff like that, but they also do it on all different types of goods in the grocery section. But I just wanted to show you something in the clearance app. You scan in the app and sometimes there's rollback or clearance. And the secret hidden clearance, yeah, they have a clearance aisle, like most Walmarts have a clearance aisle, but sometimes you can scan within the clearance aisle and things will be already knocked down to a lower price. So a good tip is to check out the price at the, I think it's on the right hand side, and see what that date is. If that date is far away from what you're at right now, there's a good possibility they might have marked it down already, even more than that, so that they can try to get it out of the store and keep new stock coming in and going. Definitely scan your items so you can find those different clearance items. And then also, so there might be like a designated clearance spot in the store, but then if you walk over to the food section, there's a whole food section clearance aisle, or it's like a little shelf that you can go to, and this has everything grocery related clearance that you can go. If you go to the electronics, they have a whole clearance area too. Have time in store to definitely go around and look at all the clearance aisles and see everything. And sometimes you got to just poke around, but you'll see those little yellow labels and that means it's marked down on clearance. Into another tip I have is rollback. So rollback are the little red stickers that you see over a price where they've rolled back the price. Maybe they have too much stock, maybe they need to get it off the shelf, they have more stuff coming in, all different types of possibilities. With the rollback, usually they'll have like a little red flag sticker thing on the little tag on the aisle. So you should be able to see those, but also when you scan in the app, it'll tell you if it's on rollback as well. So that's how, you know, rollback, clearance in the app all go hand in hand. And it's such a nice tool to have that app. It's just simple ways to save a little bit of money, even if it's 50 cents. So this next tip is for my people that are trying to eat healthy on a budget or just get some more fruit and veggies into their diet. So now you're in the store, you're looking for all your different items, you go to the produce section. We always end on the produce section because we start at like the, you know, the dairy, we start on the chips, the water, or whatever it may be, and we work towards the like the produce section. But we've come to the produce section. So here is where I want you to be a little observer and put your little observer glasses on. If you're looking for an option and it's outrageously priced because of the season or anything like that, you can head over to the frozen section and see if they have it in the frozen section. You could go to the fresh section and compare the price to ounce ratio, and sometimes the frozen will be better. Sometimes the product will look a little bit better because it's frozen and it's already packed and good to go, whereas you go to the fresh section and the produce isn't looking so great, it's really expensive. Frozen is always another option. So go down your list that you have. Say you need fruit like berries, you need apples, you need spinach, you need broccoli, all these different things. Go compare the price to frozen and fresh and see what you find. And you know, sometimes, you know, you will do the frozen option and that's okay, and just check out those prices and kind of be mindful of that. That kind of leads me to one of my final tips, is that I really want you guys to keep in mind when you're buying fruits and veggies, keep the seasons in mind. Right now, we're slowly creeping into watermelon season, but right now, Tyus and I saw a watermelon that was gonna be $7. And you know, we are not gonna we're not gonna buy the $7 watermelon because we know in like a month or two, they're gonna drop down to $3 or $4 for this huge watermelon. So Tyus and I were eating a ton of asparagus because they were coming in season. Keep an eye out. And if there's something that, you know, you really enjoy, say you love oranges, stock up on those oranges while they're fresh and they're good and they're in season, because once they get out of season, maybe the produce isn't gonna look the best. Since we recently started eating pineapples because those have become a lot cheaper, so just eat seasonally and get some variety and some color in your meals. And I think it really it's kind of exciting because like Tyus and I love looking forward to getting those watermelons and taking those camping and eating those, and the pineapples, so it gives you something nice to look forward to. Okay guys, I wanted to do a quick little grocery haul from what we picked up from Walmart. These are just some common things that we get when we go to Walmart. So Tyus wanted to try the sugar-free Yum Yum sauce. We really like this brand. Like they have barbecue sauce and they have teriyaki sauce, so this brand is really good. We just got some salad mix. We're gonna make this tonight for our taco bar that we're doing with our brother, or my brother. And I got, yes, 4 packs of eggs. Really go through that many eggs. Probably in like a week and a half we'll go through that many eggs. Like it's just such a cheap, good protein. So yeah, I stock up on eggs. And not me being exposed with my already open bag of Funyuns, my bad, but I wanted them. Have the chopped spinach and then a couple onions. Tyus is gonna make salsa, so we got cilantro. You guys, this bundle was $1. Like, you've got to be kidding me. This is the tiniest bundle of cilantro I've ever seen, and it's $1. Like, that's ridiculous. This should be like 50 cents or less in my opinion, but whatever. And then we got some avocado, some jalapenos, some tomatoes, and then I needed some more salad dressing, so I found this power dressing. It sounds pretty good. 45 calories, 2 tablespoons. Not bad at all. So I'm gonna try that. And then I got a bag of apples and some oranges and some hot Cheetos for Tyus, of course.
Oh, hi baby.
Okay guys, so these are just some of the tips and the tricks that Tyus and I use when we go shopping, and I hope that it helped. If you guys have any questions, leave them below. Keep them in mind when you go on your next shopping trip, because it might be able to save you a little bit money, or you might be able to get a good deal. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to support me and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and also like the video, and I hope you guys have the best day. Bye!